Here's a quick fix for meal planning during the week. Take your frozen hamburger from the freezer that you're going to need with a bottle of water and a loaf pan from the Dollar Tree. Here I've added Dos Rios taco meat too. The frozen beef is on the left and the Dos Rios is on the right in the loaf pan. These are placed in the Insta Pot on the trivet with 2 cups of water. Put the lid on, seal it, and set it on manual pressure or pressure cook for 20 minutes. You can let the pressure come all the way down, natural pressure release, or if you need it for that night's meal, you can do a quick release then. Watch out for the steam. The frozen hamburger tube is still intact in a tube form, so take it out, place it in a bowl with a masher, chopper, and chop it up into small pieces to get it the way you want it. Add any seasons you need or put it in a container for meal prep during the week. If you need taco meat seasoned for that night's meal, the Dos Rios taco tube is ready for dinner that night. Or when it cools, put it in the meal prep container for a meal that week. If you need a large amount of taco seasoning or meat seasoned, put the two together as I have here, blend it well with a chopper, and then I will add a link below for taco lasagna. And that large bowl of meat can also be used for lasagna that night. Thanks for watching this easy meal prep in the Insta Pot for the week. Please like, share, and comment below.